Construction equipment is made of durable metal and powerful engines. Performs hard work, which is beyond the power of a simple person. Construction equipment is intended not only for construction work, but also for the destruction of buildings that are no longer in operation. For the destruction of buildings that are no longer in operation, specialized equipment is used. Today, women also work in manufacturing or construction, just like men. They perform their work at the highest level. Robotics is the latest word in the development of technology. Robots help to facilitate the production process. Many robots can even replace humans. Robots are used not only to make life easier for people, but also to entertain the public at the amusement rides. Folding furniture helps save space. Such furniture is very functional and comfortable. Wood products are durable and environmentally friendly. Sculptures are also created from wood, which amaze with their beauty. To deliver building materials of enormous length, specialized equipment is needed. Such equipment is capable of transporting such building materials. Construction equipment is intended not only for construction work, but also for the destruction of buildings that are no longer in operation. Construction equipment is capable of digging trenches and tunnels in order to simplify construction work. For the destruction of buildings that are no longer in operation, specialized equipment is used. In our modern world, there should be a place for rest and entertainment. People have fun as they can. It helps relieve stress. Homemade inventions help make people's lives easier and save them money. Homemade cars and machine tools are the highest level of ingenuity.